Hi there, welcome to Get Fit with Gosia. In this video, you will learn how to do basic punches, a jab, and a cross. And this video is made for those who enjoy martial art inspired workouts such as body combat or Get Fit with Gosia videos. So I've decided to make kind of an instructional video for you for two reasons. Reason number one is to do proper technique while you're doing your punches and kicks to avoid injury. And the second reason is so you feel confident when you're doing your punches and kicks. So what I suggest for you is to watch this video first and then join me and actually go through the technique, through all the drills. Are you ready? Let's get started. All right, let's go through our fighter stance first. So you want to bring your left foot in front and then right foot in the back. Your left foot should be pointing towards 1 o'clock. Your back foot should be pointing towards 5 o'clock. Bend your knees, engage your core, so make it nice and tight here. Now bring your hands up. So you want to keep your hands slightly in front, close to your face. The punches are coming from your face out. Now for your fist, you want to close the fist, have your thumb on top. Keep it this way, whether you have your gloves or not, keep your fist in that position. Okay, so fighter stance, we're gonna start with a jab. So we're not gonna add any power to it yet, we're just gonna go through the motion. So you extend and then come back. What's happening here? You're rotating your front shoulder forward. As I'm looking through my arm here, I'm looking between my knuckle and my middle finger here, okay? And I'm imagining a target in front of me. So if someone's standing in front of me, I'm gonna aim at their nose and then come back, okay? Also, as you are punching, you are lifting your heel off the ground. You wanna be soft here and then come back. So do a few like this. Don't put any power to it yet. Don't go fast. Just have few punches here. And you always want to rotate your shoulders forward. Okay? Let's do 5 more together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. All right, shake it out. Now we're gonna go with a cross. So same position, fighter stance. If you need to readjust, do it so. Hands are up, elbows are in. Now for the cross from your back arm, this is your power punch. So your right arm, you're gonna rotate your shoulder forward. Same thing here, the same target, same aim, okay? And then you come back. Now look at your foot. Make sure the heel is lifting off the ground as you do it. So you're not leaning forward, you just turning your shoulder and then coming back. Turn and then come back. Be mindful of keeping same ratio of your weight distribution between front and the back leg. You want to be soft. That's it. Let's do 5 more together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, shake it out. Now we're gonna add a little bit of power to our jabs. Back to fighter stance. Ready? Let's go. Out, out. So your jab is your speed punch. You wanna throw it fast. Out, out. But you don't want to go so fast that you forget about the technique. Okay? Let's do 5 more together. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Now we're going to do the same thing with a cross. So now adding a little bit more power to it. Ready? Let's go. Out. So think of the target. Turn those shoulders. Practice in front of the mirror. 5 more together. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Shake it out. Now we're gonna combine jab and a cross together. So from your fighter stance, we'll go slowly first. Jab, as you're pulling the jab back, you bring out the cross, and then come back again. So this is for continuous punches. Just going through the motion. Think of your core, look at your feet. Make sure they're lifting. Make sure you're not leaning forward. Feels a bit odd, that's okay. It should feel a little bit awkward. All right, that's good enough. Now, in body combat or cardio kickboxing, we do whatever we do on leading with the left, we do with the right. So now we're gonna change the stance. So now, right leg is in the front. Now your feet are pointing towards 11 o'clock, back foot towards 7 o'clock. Bend your knees, hands up. Let's go just with the jabs. Out. Now try to make it a little bit more snappy. Look at your foot, make sure you're lifting your heel off the ground. 5 together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. All right, let's do the cross, power punch. Now it's your left side. Ready? Let's go. Out. Keeping your hand close to your face. 5 together. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Shake it out. All right. Both together. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Rotating the shoulders. Now we're going to add a little bit of speed here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Shake it out. What we're going to do now is we're going to throw jab, cross, just the 2 punches together. And then you're going to come back to fighter stance. Let's do 5 sets of that, leading with the left, then leading with the right. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Do one more. 1, 2. Good. Change your stance. Shake it out. Loosen it up. Hands up. Fighter stance. Look at your feet. Now we're going to go right, left. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. One more. Very nice. Awesome work. Okay, now for speed punches. So when we're doing a drill, 30 seconds of continuous jab cross, we don't have any stance actually, so both feet are on the same level. So hands are up. What I want you to focus on when you're doing your speed punches is to always come back to your face. So don't drop your arms down, hands up. First, get your feet going. Just like a little jog, okay? And now, adding the punches to that. Are you ready? That's it. Let me give you a side view. Make those punches long. Now speed it up. Come on, let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome work. This is your basic jab and a cross. Join me on the next video to learn hooks and uppercuts. I will talk to you later. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Get Fit with Gosia and like her videos.